Let's make an easy, dreamy tiramisu in just a few steps. Start with creamy mascarpone and whipped cream, gently folded together until smooth and fluffy. Next, soak your ladyfinger biscuits in coffee and layer them at the bottom of a square dessert bowl. Spoon in the mascarpone mixture over the cookies, then repeat to create beautiful, visible layers. Finish with a dusting of cocoa powder on top. Now pop it into the fridge and let it chill. The layers firm up and the flavors come together perfectly. And the best part? One bite and you get soft, coffee-soaked biscuits, rich, creamy mascarpone, and a melt-in-your-mouth tiramisu experience. Try it at home and make every bite count.